YouTube, I'm TMac, and today we're going to teach you how to whip a dirt bike. And with us, once again, we're going to teach you how to whip a dirt bike. There's 3 reasons why you should whip your dirt bike. Number 1, you look cool and get shifts. Number 2, stay low and go fast. And number 3, stay control in windy conditions. Let's get into it. There's 4 steps of whipping your dirt bike. Number 1, find some small jumps. Number 2, practice turning your bars both ways off of the jump. Number 3, lean your bike off in the face. Number 4, my favorite number, gas before you land so it straightens you out. You got all those, start putting it together and take it to bigger jumps. I had fun whipping my dirt bike, so you should too. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay classy, YouTube.